Good morning, students. Today study chapter 10, Basic Geometrical Idea. Basic Geometrical Idea. Now, line, line segment and ray. Line. A continuous straight path can be extended endless in both directions is called a line. A line has length but breadth or no breadth, no thickness. Line has length but no breadth, no thickness are denoted by its two different points. In the given figure, A and B has shown. The same are denoted are PQ, AB. Line segment. A line is a portion of a line to end point A and P. A line segment PQ has a shown in the given figure to end point P and Q. P and Q. Ray. A ray is in a part of has fixed and point on one side which can be extended endless in our direction. The end of a ray is called an initial point or a fixed point. Angle. An angle is represented by the symbol of this. The common part end is called the vertex. Common end part is called the vertex of the angle. And the ray forming the angles are called of arm of the angle. The adjoining figure AOB, OA, OB are the arms of the vertex O of angle AOB. If the arm of an angle produced indifferently, then a space of the arm is known as interior of the angle. Interior of the angle. The point PQR lie in the interior on the angle. Point PQR the interior lie on the angle. Exterior of an angle. In the arms of an angle produced indifferently, the space outside the arm is known as exterior angle. Point STUV, STQ lie in the exterior of the points triangle. Adjacent angle. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and their two non-common arms on the opposite side of the common arm. Exercise 10.1. 10.1. In the given figure, name the following. Ray. Ray is OA, OB and OC. OC, OB and OA. Angles AOB, angles AOB, angle BOC, like this angle BOC and angle AOC. Pair of adjacent angle AOB and angle BOC. Interior part of an angle Q and R. Exterior point of the angle P and S. Vertex of the angle is O. In the following figure, identify and name the geometrical shape. Angle BOA, angle AOB or BOA, both are same. AB is the line segment. AB is the line segment. Same geometrical notations are given as follows. Category those into ray, line segment, angle and point. AOB is the angle. Angle AOB means angle. PQ both side vector is a line. CD simple segment, line segment. And dot Q is equal to point. Question 4. In the given figure, how many angles are there and how many rays are there? Now angle EOD, first angle EOD, angle EOD, angle EOC, angle EOB, comma angle EOA. Both are started by the point E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next are started angle DOC, DOB and DOA. These are three angles, angle DOC, DOB and DOA. Angle COB, COA and BOA. There are 10 angles, total 10 angles, and number of ray 5. Hosts are OA, OB, OC, OD and OE. Straight true or false. Exact location of an object is called a point true. Line segment has no endpoint, false. Line in a part of a line segment, false. Exercise 10.2. Draw a line segment of the following length 6.5. Draw a length in a scale AB whose starting point O to B 6.5. Draw a line. Compare the following line segment by observation and find which is the longer. Line segment AB is the longer than CD. Here line segment MN and this line segment is OP. Clearly line segment OP is longer than MP. Draw the given line segment. Twice the length of 4 is equal to 4 into 2 is equal to 8 cm. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 8 cm. Draw line segment AB is equal to 8 cm. AB is equal to 8 cm. Thrice of the length of 2 cm. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 cm. Draw line AB is equal to 6 cm. Perpendicular lines. In intersecting line, the meet each other at angle is 90 degrees are called perpendicular lines. Line are called perpendicular line. Angle is 90 degree is called a perpendicular line. Perpendicular lines are denoted by the symbol of like this in the given figure as the perpendicular CD. So AB perpendicular to CD. Parallel line. If two or more lines never intersect each other, then line is called a parallel line. Line is called a parallel line. Parallel lines are denoted by the symbol of this. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. So that is AB parallel to CD. And concurrent line. Three or more lines which passes through the same points are concurrent line and the common part is called the point of concurrency. Given figure L, M and R concurrent line. They meet each other at the same point O. They meet each other at the point O. So O is the point of concurrency. Line L, M and N are concurrent line. Properties of infinity line can be drawn passing through a one point. Only one line can draw passing through two given points in a plane. A line in a plane if any 2 points of that line in that plane. Exercise 10.3. Whether line segment AB and CE are parallel. AB and CE are not parallel. AB and CE are not parallel because AB is like this and EC is like this. So these are not parallel. Whether line segment AB and CD are parallel. Yes, AB and CD are parallel. Like AB and this is your CD. It's a parallel. Whether line segment EF and BC are parallel. This is your EF and same is BC. So this is also a parallel. Just EF and BC are parallel. No points ABC are collinear. No points ABC are collinear. Why? Because AB point in a same line and C point in the other line. So ABC are not collinear. ABC are not collinear. No, point ABC are not collinear. Draw 4 points ABC D such a way that all the points are collinear. Look at here, ABCD are in a same straight line. Drawn ABCD line in the same points A, B, C and D. So these points are in a collinear. None of them are collinear means no 3 points are in the same line. No 3 points are in the same line. Points A, points B, C and D. These are not collinear. If 3 are them are collinear, look A, B, C. 3 points are in the same straight line. So these are collinear and 1 are non-collinear. D is other line. Question number 3. In the given figure, identify intersecting line at point O. So line PQRS. PQRS was intersecting at point O. Parallel lines. There are two parallel lines, line C and D are in parallel. Line C and D are in parallel. Concurrent line. PQRS same is intersecting point O, so PQRS are a concurrent line. Perpendicular line D and R, C and R. Okay, children, this video is your over.